Join us as we toy with Cody's sanity a bit.
Apparently I didn't find and fix all the air leaks.
He is on a mission.
Oh, winner, winner, chicken dinner.
The dogs get to go to the store for the first time in a couple of years, and we are nervous.
We're gonna be nice, Eris.
Nice.
We're gonna be nice.
But they have a pretty big, exciting day.
Yeah, he's already over it.
We discuss a subject that we said we'd circle back on and just never really did. And that's how our soft start is holding up way up there. Then before we hit the road, we cap off our Vermont trip with cheese, cheese, and more cheese. I think this is a little classier affair than a Spam festival. You headed to get your haircut?
Yeah, it's a little overdue.
Getting a little shaggy?
Yeah, just a little bit. And the place nearby doesn't do appointments, and it's 5:15 Eastern, so I'll either get right in, right out, or I'll see you about sundown.
Go get your ears lowered.
All right.
We're Twinkies again. I had mine on first.
And you have more dog hair than I do.
You got something on yours.
It was clean. What is it?
No, buddy, no.
You just did laundry today. This came fresh out of the wash. Oh well, it's gonna have all my hair all in it in about 30 minutes anyway, so it's going in the hamper.
Careful.
All right. Bye, Chucky.
We're gonna go finish our business. I hear ya. I know, Charlie. Just let me get my food put up, buddy. I recognize how urgent this is for you. Oh man. Okay.
Better?
Better.
Ange, when did we get rich?
It's Dawn.
It's Dawn Platinum.
I just picked up a
That was
bottle.
probably like $12.
I don't know.
It smells good, I'll give it that.
I saw Dawn, I picked it up.
We've used the regular cheap Blue Dawn in the big bottle forever. It's perfect.
It's good for everything.
It's great for everything. If it's good enough for the baby ducks, it's good enough for us.
good for the duckies.
We got a little air leak on our VIAIR system. It's probably my fault. If you remember when we did the install, I broke the first fitting I put in from over tightening it, so I'm thinking I just didn't tighten something up enough. Broke the second one.
Oh no.
Over tightened it. I just got a little too aggressive with it. So for the next one, I went and got my little miniature torque wrench. We're gonna see if we can chase this down with a little Dawn and water. We're just gonna spray all of our connections. Just looking for some bubbles. That one's making bubbles. Whatever's leaking isn't a bad leak. I just noticed that every, what would you say, Ange, probably hour and a half, the pump will just kind of kick on. I'm hoping I can just do some very gentle tightening, not break anything. And hopefully this cleans up some of our mess. I'm taking a Dawn bath in the process. Okay, that one's clear.
You probably needed it.
Oh, winner, winner, chicken dinner. I've had some problems with this fitting since day one. This is not a fitting that came with the kit. This replaced a fitting. If it's not tight enough, it's gonna leak. If it's too tight, you're gonna break it off. I'm gonna call that 18. I'm not breaking another one. I can always just reach right up there and tighten her down if she's leaking. I think that's gonna do it. We'll let it sit here and see if it bleeds down, and hopefully we're good to go. Let's check this out. Good to go there. Apparently I didn't find and fix all the air leaks. Got that one pesky quick connect fitting under there that's just not making a good seal around the line, so I'm gonna put a stop to it. This is my last air leak fix. I ordered these little shark bite fittings to where they just push in, and I already used an old piece of line to make sure it's gonna be good and tight, so I think this is gonna fix our problem. It seems to be the culprit, and air likes to bubble and leak right where the line goes in, and the only thing I can figure is maybe I use stainless steel against brass, and maybe that's a problem. So now this should just plug straight in there like that. run it up as far as we can. Give it a little tug, make sure it's tight. Tighten up the drain valve with all its rusty goodness. We got it, babe. We got it. No bubbles at all.
The dogs have not been into a store in over a year, maybe closer to 2 years.
Closer to 2.
There's a reason. It's always a scene, and it's embarrassing.
We're on a little mission to find a good fitting harness for Eris.
All right, let's try the pacifier.
Which pacifier
Which one do you want?
She's like,
You want that
I don't know.
You want that one? I think this might help. You're gonna be nice, Eris.
Nice.
You're gonna be nice.
Nice. How you doing?
Buy me pretty things, Daddy. Buy me pretty things.
All right, good babies.
Found one.
Okay, all right, we can get him. We can have him when we get out of here. I'm so proud.
You did so good.
You did so good.
Eris even gave a stranger a kiss. I mean,
Hold on.
this is huge.
Let's go.
Now we're going to reward the dogs with a little beach time. I'm confident that we're going to regret this.
It's a lot of
Every
people.
second of it. There is a beach area around here. This place is packed.
There are way too many people for our dogs.
But there's supposedly an area where the dogs can be, off leash or not. And we're going to try to find it.
Through an AI search, I determined that there's a spot down here called the Bark Beach that's dog friendly, but so far near the water, all I'm seeing are signs that say no dogs allowed. But we do think there's a trail back here somewhere that leads to a little bit of water, and we're hoping to find it.
Someone's coming this way with the dog. I'm going to watch them and see which way they go.
Good plan, Ange. Can you tell us where the other female went?
That way.
If Charlie can keep up.
Yeah, he's already over it.
Come on, Charlie.
Way to hustle, Charlie. Good job.
Good boy.
Job. No luck finding this dog beach. It could be down there, but it looks pretty grown up. That woman and her dog disappeared somewhere. The dogs are already worn out.
They are huffing and puffing.
They have already had an exciting day, so we're gonna go get them a drink.
Get them some air conditioner, cool them off a bit. That'll probably be the end of their day. Money says they sleep on the couch the rest of the afternoon.
There's a good chance. One torture victim down. One more to go.
He looks happy about it.
Scrub, 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 scrub. So tortured. Burger delivery. I feel like I've been waiting on these for 3 hours.
You've been talking about them for 3 hours. Probably neglected these long enough. These ACs have been running non-stop, it seems like. Ugh. A little bit of overlooked maintenance today. What do you think? Old or new?
I think that's gonna do it.
Some pretty quick maintenance right there. Speaking of air conditioners, you guys may remember earlier this year we got soft starts from ETRAILER and put them on both of our air conditioners on our roof. We haven't talked about them much because there's just not a whole lot to talk about. The things kind of just work. On 50 amp, really there's nothing to talk about at all. But next week we're going to a 30 amp site and it's been pretty warm, upper 80s. We may even see 90s next week, so we're probably going to need both air conditioners. I have no concerns because we've already done 2 air conditioners on 30 amp a few times since we put the soft starts on. Those things are great. I can't recommend them enough. I can't wait to try them out with the generator. We just haven't been boondocking with the generator, so we'll keep you posted on how that goes. But for now, we know we are all set up for 30 amp camping next week, and if you're thinking about getting soft starts for your RV, we'll put a QR code right here to a link to what we put on our trailer.
We're going to end our Vermont trip at somewhere that I've been looking forward to for about 6 months.
Make no mistake, this is the only reason why we came to this area in Vermont, was for this.
It was not cheap. It was like $81 a piece. But we get to go sample cheeses from some masterclass cheese makers.
And we had to leave Charlie behind because we rode our bikes here. We knew there was going to be a ton of cars and limited parking, so we thought, we'll just ride our bikes. It's about, a 4 or 5 mile ride, something like that. So we'll just have to find something to take back to Charlie since cheese is life.
Yes.
Yeah, reaction?
It's made out of honey,
Vodka.
like mead. So they make mead as well, but then they make that's really good.
I love feta.
I haven't had fresh homemade butter in a very long time. My mom used to make it.
Incredible.
It's the only time it's appropriate to eat a spoonful of butter.
Yeah. Chunky. Is this the chunky here?
That one is. Very popular.
I don't even know these words.
I haven't found anything I didn't like so far. Everything's been good.
We're trying.
Snowcap cold brew. I shouldn't have tried goat. I forgot I don't like it.
I like goat. We took a quick break. We're going back in.
We had to go pack up our stuff in the little cooler that we brought so we can get it home safely.
What kind of cheese is that? Is that ricotta?
Maplebrook burrata.
Burrata.
Yeah. So it's a mozzarella stuffed with a cheese and cream mixture. Mozzarella stuffed mozzarella, basically.
Interesting. Yeah. Okay, what'd you get us?
All right, we've got Cobb smoked ham, whatever that means. I've got a maple Dijon, a honey Dijon, and then some cheese to go with it.
I will do the honey Dijon.
Okay. We were introduced to a lot of stuff. I didn't know what it was. We have been told that this really helps out the cheese vendors. They can kind of get their name out there. There's a lot of goat farmers here trying to get started. There's some wineries here represented that are trying to get their name out there. We have learned I'm too nice.
Well, if you're not super aggressive to get to the samples you want to get to, they're going to run out before you get them. Just went in the nicest porta-john ever. Those are called satellite suites. They're on a little trailer, a little RV toilet and sink and mirror. They're air conditioned, which is nice because it's hot today if you can't tell. So, you know, if you want to just hang out in the bathroom and enjoy some air conditioning in a super clean environment, these are the best porta-johns I've ever found.
They have some regular porta-johns too if you're an animal.
Hey, there's something called Glory Burger. Too bad I'm full from all the cheese samples.
What'd you think?
I thought it was a neat time. I tried a lot of different kinds of cheeses, some different meats. It was a good time, and I got a pretty bike ride all the way here and all the way back, so it's a winning day for me.
It's time for us to pack up and head to our next destination. Bring on New Hampshire.
Because
we don't think about it.
yeah. Speaking of air conditioners, I get tongue-tied.
The dogs have not.
It's not even technically dinner time yet, just for the record.
It's 6 p.m.
4:53.
Central. Tastes like ham with a really delicious Dijon on it.
Tastes like spam?
Ham.
Oh, I thought she said spam.
I think this is a little classier affair than a spam festival.
So the book says drain your air tanks once a month. It's been like 2 weeks. Ugh. Well, I'm changing clothes after this.
As we pack up, the dogs are feeling a little left out. And since we didn't buy anything that they can actually eat, because it's loaded with garlics and peppers and stuff they can't have. A little charcuterie of their own. Okay, are you listening, Shirley? So here we have sharp Vermont cheddar in a shredded form. We have natural peanut butter from the gardens of California. We have Parmesan cheese grated to perfection, some fresh pet, perfectly blended proteins and vegetables, and your favorite treats sprinkled throughout to provide a nice, balanced palate. Savor them. Smell them. Get a little bit of a nose on them. I don't think they appreciated them. There's still some peanut butter, Charlie.